Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Metal Slug Tactics game is crashing, freezing or lagging on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution to fix this problem. First open up the Steam, then just click on the Metal Slug Tactics game, then just click on the gear icon of your game, then go to your game properties. Now here you will see the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game, so just turn off this option. Once you turn it off, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then go to the update, then simply update your game as patches may fix the problem, so just try this. If your problem is not fixed, then go to the install file, then click on the verify, integrate your game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Guys, here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game, so make a right click on your game launcher. You will see the properties on the last, so just click on the properties. Now just go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck the box of compatibility mode. Also uncheck this box of disable and just check the box of administrator, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If your problem is not fixed, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so the very next solution that you can try to fix this problem, make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Guys, here you will see the startup on the top. Click on that. Guys, here simply disable all the background application. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crashing, freezing issues. So just disable all of these which are useless. Once you disable all of these, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, try all of this solution. If your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows type it, the update, open it, and simply update your Windows. And you also need to make sure that your graphic card are updated to the latest version. Once you update your Windows or graphic card, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, start with the solution and see which works for you. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye.